Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how to analyze the candle by using the candlestick psychology. So here I have taken my trade up and I am 100% sure that the candle will close as a bullish candlestick. You can see here the sellers are here in this area, so there is a big gap, and also this is a level. So because of this level, this candle will work as a reversal and this candle will close as a bullish. No worries, it will close as a bullish for sure. I am 200% sure that this candle will close as a bullish candlestick. There is nothing and there is no way that this candle will come down. So this is my first trade and I am going to take trades by analyzing the market. Okay, so again I can go with buyers from this point, and I know I will definitely win this trade also. So candle will close above my entry point. Why? Let me show you why. You can see this was the level, now the level is here, so still there is a gap to this level. So because of this area the candle must go up and it will close as a hammer type of candle. So let's see what happens. You can see market is making a hammer candle. It will go up, it will close like this. You will see it will close like this. Okay, so again I won my trade here. So let's analyze the market here. Okay, so here from this point I can go with sellers. I need a good entry point. Okay, I have taken my trade down, a very good entry point, so I will definitely win this trade too. So you are seeing that I am taking each and every candlestick, but the thing is we need to identify the levels, we need to learn the levels. We have heard about many things that this is the level, and whenever we take trade on those levels, market suddenly reverse and we lost our trades. This is the main thing to learn, and I have learned this thing in a very good manner. So because of that I am getting very good winning ratio here. Okay, so again I can go with sellers of again a late entry. So this candle will go also down, this candle will also go down, and it will close as a bearish candlestick. So you can see I have started my trading from this point, and because of my mistake I closed the recording button, so no issues. Let's see what happens. This candle will close as a bearish, it will close as a bearish for sure. My entry point is late, but there is no way for this candle to close as a bullish, it will close as a bearish. Okay, a sign of continuation. Again a late entry. I cannot do anything with these late entries because I am having here internet issue. So market moves very fast with the candles and I get always stuck in my Wi-Fi signal. So no issues, it will close as a bearish, but my entry point was this. My entry point was this. Here my entry point was this. So because of the fast movement I lost this trade. So here I have taken my trade and I am winning this trade too. So let's analyze the market here. Okay, so market is in Okay, this candle will also go down. This candle will also go down, and I can take my trade up from this point and I will win this trade. I have taken my trade against the candle, against the trend, but I know I will win this trade. Okay, so let's see what happens. You can see here, I know that from which point the candle will return and candle will reverse, so I also know these points too. So because of these things we can win our trades. Okay, so here you can see I won my trade here. So again I can go with sellers from this point. The candle will definitely come down and it will close as a bearish for sure. The candle will definitely come down and it will close as a bearish for sure. Let's see what happens. I have started my trading from this area and I am covering each and every candlestick here, and you can see I am winning each and every trade also. So let's see what happens. I am 100% sure that the candle will close below my entry point. So you can see it also closed as a bearish. So you can see here I took so many trades here, and because of my mistake I paused. I closed the recording button here. After that I took 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I took 7 trades and all were winning trades, and still I am getting the things in my way. So this is how we can trade on each and every candlestick. So here this was also an ATM for me, but because of the fast movement market came down and I hit my trade here in this area. So here I also got stuck because of the fast movement, but I won my trade here. Here this candle was not a reversal candle, it was a continuation sign. Here I knew that this candle will close as a bearish, and it closed as a bearish, and also I knew that this candle will go down and momentum started. So this is the way to identify the levels, this is the way to take the trades. So if you like my videos, kindly share, subscribe and hit the like button. Stay blessed you all and have a good day ahead.